The capybara, Hydrochoerus hydrochaeris, is the largest rodent in the world, native to South America. It is closely related to guinea pigs and rock cavies, belonging to the Caviidae family. Capybaras are semi-aquatic mammals, often found near rivers, lakes, swamps, and marshlands. They have a barrel-shaped body, short legs, webbed feet, and a large, blunt head, making them excellent swimmers. Adult capybaras can grow up to 4.5 feet, 1.4 meters long, and weigh between 77 to 145 pounds, 35 to 66 kilos. Despite their size, capybaras are gentle social animals that thrive in groups. Capybaras are herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, aquatic plants, fruits, and bark. They have special digestive adaptations that allow them to ferment plant material in their stomachs, extracting as many nutrients as possible. Like other rodents, their teeth never stop growing, so they must continuously chew on tough vegetation to keep them from becoming too long. Capybaras also practice coprophagy, eating their own feces to digest food more effectively and absorb additional nutrients. This helps them survive in environments where food may be scarce. Capybaras are highly social animals that live in large groups, usually consisting of 10 to 20 individuals, though some groups can have up to 100 members. These groups provide safety from predators, as capybaras take turns keeping watch while others graze or rest. The dominant male in the group defends his territory and mates with multiple females, while subordinate males and younger members help protect the group. Their strong social bonds and peaceful nature make capybaras one of the friendliest and most cooperative animals in the wild. Capybaras are excellent swimmers, using their webbed feet to move efficiently through the water. They can stay submerged for up to 5 minutes, allowing them to escape predators such as jaguars, anacondas, caimans, and eagles. They even sleep in the water, keeping only their nostrils and eyes above the surface to stay alert. Their love for water helps them stay cool in hot climates, and they often take mud baths to protect their skin from the sun and insects. Water is essential for their survival, which is why they are always found near bodies of water. Capybaras communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including barks, whistles, purrs, grunts, and chirps. These sounds help them warn of danger, establish social bonds, and communicate with their young. Baby capybaras, called pups, often whistle when they are hungry or seeking attention from their mothers. Adults bark loudly to alert the group of approaching threats, and they purr when they are relaxed or bonding with other members. Their rich communication system helps them maintain harmony within their groups and avoid predators. Capybaras reproduce once or twice a year, with females giving birth to 4 to 6 pups after a 150-day pregnancy. Newborn capybaras weigh around 3 to 4 pounds, 1.5 kilodor, and can run, swim, and eat grass within hours of birth. The entire group helps care for the young, with multiple females nursing the pups, a behavior known as alloparenting. This cooperative rearing increases the chances of survival for the offspring. By the time they reach 6 months old, young capybaras are independent, though they often stay with their groups for protection. Despite their calm and friendly nature, capybaras face threats from predators and human activities. In the wild, they are hunted by jaguars, pumas, anacondas, and caimans. However, their biggest threat comes from habitat destruction and illegal hunting. In some regions, capybaras are hunted for their meat and skin, which is used to make leather. As human populations expand, wetlands and forests are being destroyed, reducing their natural habitat. Conservation programs aim to protect capybara populations by preserving wetlands and raising awareness about their ecological importance. Capybaras play a vital role in their ecosystems, helping maintain the balance of wetland environments. By grazing on grass and aquatic plants, they prevent overgrowth, which supports biodiversity. They also serve as an important food source for predators, helping regulate predator-prey relationships in the wild. Their dung enriches the soil, promoting plant growth and providing food for insects and fish. Scientists study capybaras to better understand wetland conservation, as their presence indicates a healthy ecosystem. Capybaras have gained worldwide popularity due to their gentle and sociable personalities. They are often seen interacting peacefully with other animals, including birds, turtles, and even predators. In some places, capybaras are kept as exotic pets, though they require special care and access to water. Their friendly demeanor has made them a viral sensation on social media, where they are often depicted lounging in hot springs or cuddling with other animals. By protecting capybaras and their habitats, we ensure that these unique and lovable creatures continue to thrive in the wild. Penguins are flightless seabirds known for their distinctive black and white plumage, waddling walk, and exceptional swimming abilities. They belong to the family Sphenicidae and are primarily found in the southern hemisphere, with species living in Antarctica, South America, Africa, Australia, and the Galapagos Islands. Unlike most birds, penguins have streamlined bodies and strong, flipper-like wings that make them excellent swimmers. Their unique adaptations allow them to thrive in cold and harsh environments, with the emperor penguin, Aptenodytes forsteri, being the largest species, reaching heights of 4 feet and weighing over 80 pounds. Penguins are carnivorous and primarily feed on fish, squid, and krill. Their sharp, spiny tongues and strong beaks help them catch slippery prey underwater. Penguins hunt by using quick, agile movements, often diving to great depths to find food. Some species, like the emperor penguin, can dive over 1,500 feet and hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Their bodies are designed for efficient underwater movement, with dense bones that reduce buoyancy, allowing them to dive deeper. Penguins spend most of their lives at sea, only returning to land for breeding and molting. One of the most remarkable features of penguins is their thick layer of blubber and waterproof feathers, which keep them warm in icy waters. Their feathers are densely packed and coated with oil, providing insulation and protection against freezing temperatures. Penguins also have a countercurrent heat exchange system where warm blood heats up the cold blood returning from their extremities, preventing heat loss. In extreme conditions, penguins huddle together in large groups to conserve warmth, with individuals taking turns being on the outer and inner parts of the group. Most penguins are monogamous, meaning they mate with the same partner each breeding season. After mating, females lay 1 or 2 eggs depending on the species, and both parents take turns incubating them. Emperor penguin males are known for their remarkable parenting role, as they balance the single egg on their feet and keep it warm under their brood pouch for 2 months while the females hunt for food. Once the chicks hatch, both parents share feeding duties, regurgitating nutrient-rich food to nourish their young. Penguin chicks are born with soft, downy feathers, which do not provide waterproof protection, so they must stay on land until they develop their adult plumage. During this time, chicks form nursery groups called creches, where they stay together, for warmth and protection while their parents search for food. As they grow, they shed their down feathers in a process called molting, replacing them with sleek, waterproof feathers. Once fully grown, young penguins leave their colonies and venture into the ocean to begin their independent lives. Despite their aquatic skills, penguins face threats from natural predators such as seals, orcas, and seabirds like skuas and giant petrels, which prey on eggs and chicks. However, their biggest threats come from human activities, including climate change, overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. Melting ice in Antarctica affects krill populations, a key food source for many penguins. Oil spills and plastic pollution also harm penguins by contaminating their habitats and food sources. Conservation efforts focus on protecting breeding grounds, reducing overfishing, and mitigating climate change effects. Penguins play a crucial role in marine ecosystems by helping regulate fish and krill populations. Their presence indicates the health of ocean environments, making them an important species for conservation research. Scientists use tracking devices to monitor penguin populations, migration patterns, and the impact of climate change. Many conservation organizations work to protect penguins by establishing marine protected areas, enforcing anti-pollution laws, and educating the public on sustainable fishing practices. Penguins are highly social birds, living in large colonies called rookeries, which can contain thousands to millions of individuals. These colonies provide protection from predators and help penguins find mates. Penguins communicate using a variety of vocalizations, body movements, and displays. Each penguin has a unique call, allowing parents and chicks to recognize each other in crowded colonies. During breeding season, males and females perform elaborate courtship rituals, such as bowing, calling, and offering pebbles as gifts, particularly in species like the Adelie penguin. Penguins have captivated human imagination for centuries, appearing in mythology, literature, movies, and documentaries. They symbolize resilience, adaptability, and teamwork, with species like the emperor penguin becoming icons of endurance in extreme conditions. From classic animated films to wildlife documentaries, penguins continue to inspire people worldwide. With ongoing conservation efforts and increased awareness, these charismatic seabirds can continue to thrive in their natural habitats, ensuring future generations can witness the beauty and uniqueness of penguins in the wild.